What's up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you how, for my first video I'm going to be showing you how to install CFGs. So what you're going to do, go onto YouTube and then just type in Modern Warfare 2 CFGs plus download and look for a good one. Actually I'm going to Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go media file and download and put a link in there. Okay, I'll meet you back in a minute. Okay, I'm just going to upload my CFG and then I'll show you it in a minute, okay? So, I'm just going to upload it now. Okay, wait. So, yeah, let me just copy this link. So now wait. Yeah. Now what you're going to want to do is click download. Save file. Yeah, and then it should say open folder, but I didn't do that one, so minimize. Go on to your downloads, and it should be there. Open it up, and you should have this. So what you're gonna want to do, because I have them on my thing already, you're gonna want to copy them and drag them to your USB. And then, yeah. So now I'm going to meet you on my PS3. Oh yeah, sorry. Let me just show you. Let's on my. So if you want to edit it, you just gotta go. Just click on it and then open with, and it should come up. But I've got more options and keep using Notepad because that's what I'm on anyway. Okay, that's it. And then so I'm back on my PS3 with the CFG there. Now I'm going to put my USB into the right port. This one, nearest to nearest to the buttons. Okay, push it in properly. Okay. So you're going to back out. Go to split screen. Load. And yeah. Start the match. Now once you've picked a gun, you're going to want to press select and up, and that should come up in the corner. And then you're going to exit out of it pressing square, which is in my case, and then end game. And I'll just show you a little bit of the menu. It's a good menu if you put your name in it, because everything works. So it worked. And there's the mod menu. And it's select up, and if you want to choose what you want, it's the knife button, and then if you want to exit out of it, it's square. And thank you. And what you want to do is subscribe to Ghetto Mods. Peace.